good morning, or good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. Today we're gonna talk about Chapter 2, Simple Electric Circuits. Are you ready? Let's start. Let me just adjust my picture first. There you go. Simple electric circuits. But first, before we answer what is a simple electric circuit, we must first know what is electricity. What is electricity? Well, electricity is energy moving from one place to another. It's energy being used while it is moving from one place to another. Electricity actually provides most of the energy to run the whole world. Amazing. It means that electricity is the one that provides almost all of the world energy. From your phones, you need electricity to charge your cell phones. Without electricity, the moment your cell phone turns off because it has no more batteries, it means you can't turn it on again. Another one is your refrigerators. They need electricity. They need it to help keep your food cold. And if your food is cold, it can last for a long time. Another thing that needs electricity is cars. Your cars need electricity. But you might be asking, why do cars need electricity? They need gasoline, right? Yes, they need gasoline. But some cars, they need electricity. Like Tesla. Tesla has an electric car. Some scientists think that in a few years, these cars that need gasoline will be replaced with cars that need electricity because electricity, you can produce a lot more electricity rather than gasoline. And even those gasoline cars, the gasoline is burned to produce electricity. It is burned in the engine. So even cars, they need electricity to run. Did you understand? Next, so who discovered electricity? Well, electricity wasn't actually discovered by a single person. The earliest person who made an experiment about electricity was Benjamin Franklin. He is actually a president of the United States. He was using a kite, and the kite struck lightning because the kite had a key in the middle. Because the key is metal, it made it attracted the electricity of lightning. Now, who is this guy? Who do you think is this person in the picture? It's not Benjamin Franklin. This person is Michael Faraday. He is known as the father of modern electricity. Okay? He's the father of modern electricity. It's not because he discovered it, but he helped increase electricity's usefulness, or he helped um, people understand more about electricity. He did not finish school, but he invented the rubber balloon. Oh, imagine that. He did not finish going to high school or college. It was a different time then. But now you need to go to high school and college, matayom and university. Now, Teacher Kent, he invented the rubber balloon, but he is the father of modern electricity. What does the rubber balloon do? Well, He used the balloon to have experiments on electromagnetism. Most of the things we know about electricity is because Michael Faraday had experiments on it. Not just Michael Faraday, we also have Nikola Tesla and the guy that was supposed to be the inventor of the light bulb, Thomas Edison, but he's not really the inventor. It was Nikola Tesla, and he was the one. The other guy was just the one who who patented the thing. So that picture was Michael Faraday. Now, you know what electricity is and why is it important? The question is, what is a simple electric circuit? An electric circuit is basically a complete pathway for energy to flow. Again, let's go back. An electric circuit is basically in a complete pathway for energy to flow. What does this mean? It means that the electric circuit helps energy to move. It's like a road. It's like a road. Imagine if electricity is a car, then the road is the electric circuit. That is where electricity can travel, can move. What does an electric circuit look like? Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Well, that's not everything, but this is like the most important parts. And don't worry, I will teach you all about it. So what are the parts of an electric circuit? We have four. The first is these ones. These are the wires. This is where technically the electricity moves. Okay, this is technically where the electricity moves. The wires. The wires outside are made of plastic, so electricity cannot go out, while inside it's made of copper or metal, so the electricity can move. Another part is this one, the battery, the main source of electricity. The other one is the light bulb, or the thing that electricity needs. Oh, the thing that needs electricity, I mean. Without electricity, the light bulb cannot turn on. And finally, we have the switch. Of course, if there's electricity, we humans might die if we touch it. So we need something to stop the electricity from moving and to make it move whenever we want to. So when you combine all of this, it will soon look like this. You see that? That is a simple electric circuit. The electricity travels, the positive and the negative. They move, and when they meet in the bulbs, they turn it on. And you can turn it off too using a switch. That is an electric circuit. Now, I'm going to show you a diagram of an electric circuit. This is it. This is a basic electrical circuit drawing. As you can see, the lines are called the wires. The bulb is this thing. Let me just use my pen. These parts are the wires. This is the light bulb. This is the switch. And this is the battery. Okay? This is the positive charge and the negative charge. In order for there to be electricity, there should be positive and negative. So the electric circuit, it allows the negative to go here and the positive to go. If the switch is on, this is off, by the way, because the switch is open. If it moves like this, it's on. That the positive and the negative meet here in the light bulb, and we can use the light bulb. That is an electric circuit. Okay, let me just undo all of this so we can continue with the next part. Thank you. Now, there are two types of simple electric circuits. We have the closed circuit or the complete circuit, and we have the open or the incomplete circuit. These are the closed and the open. Now, look at the picture. What do you see that is different? They have one bulb. They have the battery, only one battery. Okay. They also have the same shape. It's a square. Okay. But this one, it seen by these circles, it means that there is electricity. So what is this? Look at this one. There's nothing, there's a line there. Here, the line is missing. What does this mean? This is the switch. The basic type of electric circuit depends on the switch. If the switch is closed, it means the circuit is turned on. It means there is electricity. If the switch is not closed, it's open, it's an open circuit, there is no electricity. Do you understand? Good. Look, that's enough for today. We will continue next time. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.